These are the only creator tools you need to start turning your views into money. First, we have ManyChat. For example, you can comment tools on this video, and I'll send you all 3 tools in your DMs. See this as your new customizable bio link that takes your viewers to whatever product or offer you are promoting. Next up, we have Notion. Notion is your all-in-one tool for finding video ideas and planning your content. I recommend every creator have a competitor list to save yourself the hours it can take to find your video ideas. And lastly, Gumroad. When you want to set up your free or paid product, this is the free platform to sell it on. Just upload your videos or PDFs in the content tab, and your product is basically ready to sell. As always, follow for more value.